So, football heritage. Elite Gaffer, 1. No football heritage. Serial bottle jobs. 0. Dumped out of Europe. Premtards in the bin. The Premier League en la basura. Betty a la mierda hijo de puta. Yeah. Guess what? I predicted a loss. I said 3-1. But guess what? At half time, once new evidence was presented, I was kind of calm. I was like, yo, we're looking all right. We're looking kind of cool. We're not doing great, but we're not doing bad. It's a 50-50. It's a flip of a coin. And I don't know what he said to him at halftime, but it was almost like we were 2-0 down at halftime and we had to throw the kitchen sink at it. Similar to Aston Villa. And guess what? When you want to go up against a tactically good manager, Unai Emery, good evening, and Tommy Tukes, who's actually won this competition and lost the final, funny enough, to Bayern München, you're going to get found out. Starboy disappeared. Arsenal Twitter, a Champions League campaign to be proud of, tweeted out before kickoff as well. Yeah, our 2-0 win against Bayern München in 2013, which meant we lost 3-3 on away goals. Oh, yeah. Bayern München won the Champions League that season. Find shame, Arsenal Football Club. Jez, I know you were receiving. My chat was lighting up, going, Jez is having a meltdown. He's going mad. Rightly so. First half, I thought we were decent. What did you make of that? Too many stinkers tonight. Let the people know. Arsenal history and more, link in the title. We're going to do an emergency meeting as well. Let's go, guys.
We started well. I thought when I saw the team line up, I thought, yep, well done, Arteta. You got it right. You haven't ponced about this time like you did against Villa. You've done it. Fair play, respect. And we battled it out the first half. It was a bit of us, it was a bit of them. 5 minutes of us pressure, 5 minutes of them pressure, 5 minutes of them, 5 minutes of us. I thought, this could go anywhere right now. Yeah. Fact. And then second half, what happened? It was them. And then, yeah, you made the substitution. Yeah, fair play. You brought on Trossard. You brought on Jesus. I thought, okay, neither of them actually impacted the game at all, unfortunately. Nice. Didn't do a damn thing. Starboy, well, you might as well have not been there in the second half, to be fair.
At all. He was shocking.
Shit. Absolute shit. The midfield just capitulated. And then, of course, you bring on Nketiah. Mate, to quote another YouTuber, my friend Yeti, he's a spaniel running after a tennis ball. Shocking.
Yeah, he is. I said this, Jez, throw a tennis ball in the park, you'll see dogs. Yeah, just pero. They're just, you just stand in a field, in the middle of a field, you don't see any dogs, and you just throw a tennis ball, all of a sudden there'll be 10 dogs chasing after the tennis ball. That is Eddie Nketiah. What do you do? Where's Fabio Vieira?
Let me just, I said to the Yeti in the watch, getting so bored. Sorry. So bored, right? Last Sunday in the morning, I went and watched my 10-year-old grandson play football. It's not football. Let's get it right. It's not. Yeah. 20 little kids, apart from the ones in each goal, in the centre circle, kicking around, like the ball's popping out everywhere. God knows what. They haven't got. That's kids' football, right? Why can we not control the game? Because it was a shit show. And we were shown up again in the fact that we are not the levels, we haven't got the players, and we haven't got the bench to compete. Kenny called it weeks ago. Respect to Kenny Ken. He called it. I was Mr. Positive tonight when I did a stream. I said, I think we can nick it 2-0. I didn't really believe what I said.
Did anyone clip that, Jez? Has anyone clipped that? Oh, they ain't, have they?
No. But I was positive. I thought, well, we might nick it. And in that first half, I thought, maybe, Lee, we can do this. Maybe we'll just
First
nick
half,
this
I
game.
thought we were good. I thought we were good. I thought we were the better team, if I'm honest. We had the better chance. Martinelli should have scored.
But the second half, man, we were an absolute dog shit show. Sorry, but we were pony. What happened? We just went away, walked away. We made a, well, let's be honest. I feel so sorry for those Arsenal fans that have made that journey tonight, because they're not going to get home.
To them as well. Big up to them. My chat was lighting up. Yeah, and I know you were probably watching it on mute as well. My chat was lighting up saying, yo, they're making more noise in the Allianz than they make at the flipping Emirates.
Yeah, why? Because they are proper fans. Because they go home and away. They go every week, and I've got the ultimate respect for them. Absolute. Because they're not getting home anytime quick. They're going to be home about 4 or 5 in the morning. They've got to get out, fly home.
They're staying and missing another day off work, no days pay unless they've got a day in lieu or whatever. Yeah.
And respect to them and every one of them that made that journey, because and the other thing I have to say, I have to give the ultimate respect to the Bayern Munich ultras. They're relentless, waving them bloody massive carpet flags. They must weigh a sodding ton.
Mate, right? They're up. Their forearms, yeah, their forearms are on steroids. Can you imagine, Jez? Can you imagine that at the Emirates? North London forever. That's an atmosphere, mate. Did you see the start of that game? It was like, when you go to a fireworks display and everyone's holding a sparkler. Sprinkler. Yeah, sparkler. That was crazy. The first 10 minutes of that game, you couldn't see the players.
I said that. I said, I can't see the crowd on the other side of the pitch. I said, where's Saka? I can't see him. Through the fog.
Just leave him in Germany, mate. Yeah, he's probably suited to Heidenheim, yeah, or FC Köln or someone, because we need to have a conversation about him, right? Because their star boy Musiala turned up tonight. He was cooking. People are going on about Harry Kane this and Harry Kane. Forget Leroy Sané and Harry Kane. Their star boy is younger than our star boy. Their star boy turned up and cooked everyone tonight. Yeah, Musiala. Yeah, or Musiala, whatever his name is. He was quality. The way he was put Odegaard on his bum and put Saka.
Kimmich.
Yeah.
Kimmich as well.
Kimmich. Bro, I've been telling everyone, yeah. This is the thing. This is why we're older heads, yeah, right? We do not dismiss football heritage. We've seen it tonight. Man City got knocked out. Yeah, they got knocked out. Why? And I watched the extra time of that game. That game was 2 elite level teams having a go. Yeah.
Yep.
Penalties were shocking. Bernardo Silva's penalty. Oh my days. Luka Modric and Kovacic. Oh my days. However, we're not an elite level team, but our fan base think we are. We're going up against an elite level team. But this manager thinks he's elite and thinks we're elite. So in the second half, he decides to go, we can have a go at them. No, you can't. Park the fucking bus. Yeah, and counter-attack them. Stink a 1-0. Take it extra time. Jez, what he did from that 45th minute, and as soon as we kicked off that second half, he should have done that for the last 5-10 minutes of the game plus stoppage time. You don't do that for 45. They've got elite level footballers. Yeah, did they even bring Thomas Muller on? He sat on the bench. Like, come on.
He was laughing. He was laughing. They scanned the camera to that bench, right? 10 minutes to go. He's sitting there smirking. And I'm thinking, fair play to you, fella. Because at the end of the day, you are elite level, right? Tell me one player in our team, Lee, that's elite.
None.
Not one. None of them.
We had some half decent performers tonight. I thought Odegaard in the first half was the best player we had, right? I thought Ben White in the first half was all right. I thought Saliba in the first half was neck and neck pulls with Odegaard. I thought them two in the first half and then Ben White. Jorginho did all right. We subbed Jorginho off.
Yeah.
And I'm like, hold up. We've subbed Jorginho off. Why not? And then we put 29 in midfield. We then bring Trossard. I love Trossard. All he did was give away free kicks Looked like he slept in a coffin for the last 3 days. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
He was black. He was awful.
Terrible.
Yeah.
Terrible.
But Declan Rice. We need to talk about Declan Rice. Declan Rice. We need to keep this quick as well because I've got Matty and then we're doing the meeting. Yeah. Talk to me about Declan Rice because for the last 3 games, that guy's shown his level, bruv. Yeah. And he's punched above his weight and looked great against shit teams. When the chips are down, oh, can we pay you more, West Ham? Get out of here.
He was shit tonight. He was shit against Villa, and he was shit tonight. And I question the mentality. Everybody said to me, people telling me the mentality's better. I mean, we're strengthened. Bollocks. Fact. Listen to what I'm saying to you. Listen to what I'm saying to you. Little fucking arsewipe YouTubers out there that give it all a big narrative. You don't know what the hell you're talking about. Because at the end of the day, this club, right, is in meltdown again. And I swear to you, Lee, I would not be at all surprised if we end up 3rd now. Because at the end of the day, Man City have got nothing to play for apart from the FA Cup and the Premier League. And where are they in the Premier League? Number 1. Where's Liverpool? They're in 3rd, and they will fight, and they will fight, and they will fight.
Level with us, by the way. Oh, by the way, Unai Emery is 8 points ahead of us. Yes, we've got a game in hand, but don't be shocked if he finishes very, very close to us. Yeah, he's flying the flag for English teams in Europe, by the way. But the Prem is the best league in the world. On that bombshell, sub to Arsenal history and more. We're going to do Southern Goon and Matty's fan cam. Check out Kenny's and myself. And then we're on the emergency meeting. We're going to get a Bayern fan on for the first 10 minutes or so. He's Tuchel out. He's a lot of players out. He's embarrassed with his team. However, he is going to jump on. He's going to give his thoughts, and then we're going to keep it Arsenal after that. We're out of here. Absolute shit show. Layers.
Arteta out. You're a prick. You're out.